All right. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. How's everybody doing today? Give me some shout outs in the chat. Um, I had to run to the school to pick up something, so I was in transition of coming back. All right. So by now, everybody should have dipped their feet in the water in test.com for today. What I want everybody to do, and please listen up. Um, every semester, um, y'all do what they call the NC test tutorial. So what we are going to do today, I need y'all to do that for me. It's an NC test tutorial. I'm gonna show you what I want you to do. So hold on. Okay, so by now, hopefully everybody has done the tutorial. You'll have to do it more than likely in every class. So what I want y'all to do is normally when you open up a new window, or it may already be in the current window that you're on. I'm gonna show you what mine looks like, and then we can go on from there. Okay, if you notice right here, can everybody see the screen that I'm on, which is my email screen? Somebody, you can say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
All right, thank you. So in the far left corner, you see dots. I call them the 9 dots, but they are correctly called apps. So if you have that, what you'll do is you'll click on it. Now, my screen is only going to show so far because when I get into it, it blocks it so that you can't see it. But everybody, if you do not have this, open up a new window. Even after you open up the new window, you still don't have it. Google it, call it NC test tutorial. So I'm gonna go through it with you. So just relax. What you do is you open up the app screen. I hope everybody still can see this. Once you open up on the bottom, it should say NC test. When you now after this, you won't be able to see my screen because it's gonna block it. Okay, once you hit the NC test, you should see 4 applications. Go to the bottom, the far right, it should say NC test tutorial. So hopefully everybody is there. Once you go to the NC test tutorial, it will open up. It'll say tutorial login. Then you see test name, which has a drop down box. Click on the drop down box. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but choose the CTE SAP, which is the algebraic scientific calculator with tutorial. Choose that test name. Once you choose that test name, hit OK. Then it'll say your name will appear, your school ID will appear, your school name will appear. Go ahead and hit login. When you go there, you should see on the far right at the top it'll say 1 of 6. That means you have 6 questions. I don't what I want you to do is just choose the answer. Doesn't matter what you choose because it's not a real test. It's just a tutorial. Choose for number 1, choose the answer, hit next. Number 2, choose the answer, hit next. Number 3, choose the answer, hit next. 4, hit choose the answer, hit next. 5, choose the answer, hit next. 6, choose the answer and hit next. When you get to the end, there will be a test summary. On your regular test, the integrate test, you're going to have 100 questions. It'll show all 100 questions. Every question number should have an asterisk under that number. If it does not have the asterisk, that means that you left one, you did not answer it, so you need to go back. When you get to the screen, I'm just giving you heads up. Don't hit end or anything. Raise your hand for whoever is a test administrator in your room to come and check your screen. You raise your hand, they'll come. I always ask, did you go over everything? Are you sure you finished? If I see a blank line, I would say you have one that's blank. And if you're finished with that, hit end test. And a big square caution um, screen will come up in the middle. Hit end test, then hit exit. Once you do that, I'm going to put, if you don't have those apps, you have to Google NC Test Tutorial. I'm going to put this link. Everybody see this link that I just posted in the chat. Go on that. It's a one question thing. It asks you, did you complete the NC test tutorial? Everybody that's on here, please put yes. And then hit submit. Okay, I'm posting up the link again. So once you get done with the tutorial, fill out my Google form. Okay, so let me know once you've done it. Put it in the chat that I did it. Just Shanti, it looks like you have one more thing to do in typing.com on the beginner level. Okay, you have one more thing. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so get that done so I can change your thing. Um, Everybody, make sure you do the tutorial, and I need you to complete that Google form. It's not a option; it is mandatory. I have to turn this in, so please get it done.
The Google form, is that the link in the comment thing?
Yes, I'm gonna post it again. That's the Google form, and make sure you do. Make sure everybody y'all hit yes. Oh, and the attendance quiz is ready. So go do the attendance quiz. To the Google form.
You may accidentally use your personal account. Switch to your school account.
Okay. Switch to your personal, your school account. Make sure you're doing it on your school account. You have to log in with your school account. Why won't it allow your school account, James? Log all the way back out and try it, because it should allow from your school.
Remove any account. Just sign in as your school account. Do another Chrome section. Just sign in any other account you have if you can. It happens a lot to me.
Thank you. Naomi, you just getting on. I need you to do the NC test tutorial. So Naomi, go here. I'm gonna share my screen. Okay. So go right here. Go up here where it says apps, which I call the 9 dots. Click on the 9 dots. Once you click on the 9 dots, it's the NC test tutorial. You can't see my screen, but once you click on the NC test tutorial, click on the bottom right square that says NC test tutorial. Then you'll go, it should say tutorial login, test name. Click on the drop down box. Click CTE SAP with the algebraic scientific calculator. Click on that. Click login. Then it'll take you to the thing, hit login, and just answer the 6 questions back to back. Hit one next, two next, whatever the answer till you get to the last, the test summary. After that, then hit end test, and exit. Then do this Google form here. It's only one question saying that yes, you completed the NC test tutorial. Now almost to go to that, okay? All right, so let me tell y'all what's going on. If you have not completed the benchmark, get the benchmark done by tomorrow. Benchmarks need to be completed by tomorrow. I think I sent a lot of stuff out on Remind today. Okay, so make sure that you have done your benchmarks. Make sure the benchmarks are done by tomorrow before 11:59 p.m. Also, I extended the typing.com for the intermediate level. It was supposed to be due yesterday, but I've extended it through Friday. So beginner and intermediate level needs to be completed by Friday. After Friday, I'm not going to change the grade because I'm going to start putting in new categories today. And then Thursday or Wednesday, I'll start plugging in some grades. So if they're not finished, if both of them are not finished by Friday, you will uh, get a 0 or whatever grade you have in there. It will stay the same. Also, make sure you're checking the Power School. Any missing work, if it's not made up by Friday at 11:59 Friday night, you will get a 0. Okay, so, and I won't change it because I've extended my times enough for you to get your assignments done. Also, make sure that you are working at test.com because I'm going to start putting those assignments in. So, test.com, I need you to really push yourself while you're out. Yes, we're out, we're on a break, but you still, I mean, you just chilling. You still have time to complete Word. I think you can get Word done and half through PowerPoint. I want them both finished by December 4th. If we could, we're going to work. We're going to see what we're looking like. Okay, because you guys are going to have to take certification. Also, next week, we're going to really be working. We have no time, no downtime next week because you're going to be working, finishing Word, finishing PowerPoint. Also, we will start reviewing for the tests, for our interview tests on next week. So we really going to have a lot to do for the next few weeks. You've got to make sure that you're here, you're on top of your game. I know a lot of us are going through things, but right now, do not get discouraged. Please keep working. Whatever you're going through, you got to work your way through it, okay? So make sure that you're staying on top of your assignments. Okay, right now, I want everybody to be in testout.com. Okay, be in testout.com. So if you have not done that Google Form survey, I'm going to put it up here. I need you to uh, do the NC test tutorial. If you don't know how, I'll walk you through it. Make sure you hit yes on the Google Form answer question.
Miss Hargrave,
Yes.
I already told you by now a couple of weeks ago that I couldn't get into the intermediate. It keep on freezing, like give me some error. It either freezes or give me some error. And I said I went to the events, and I'm starting going to the advanced one.
Okay. You may have to log back on and maybe have to you may have to create two accounts. I'm not sure with the and then go directly into intermediate and see what it does. But we'll try to do it that way as well and see what's going on. Okay.
I
But
won't
that's
be able to finish intermediate in 1 week.
okay. Okay. Well, whatever. And guys, if y'all after you get done with intermediate, don't wait for me to say go on to advanced. Get into advanced, okay? Because we got y'all can go ahead and do it on your own. Let me check and see if everybody has done the tutorial. Jashanti, do the that Google form. Gwendolyn, do that Google form. Do the NC test tutorial like I showed you. You need me to show you again? Jashanti, Gwendolyn, Jayla, I need you to do that Google form. Do you need for me, Savannah? Do you need for me to show you how to do the NC test tutorial? So Savannah, you know how to do the NC test tutorial? Now do the Google form saying yes, you completed the tutorial. I need you to do that. Jayla. Jayla, did you do the NC test tutorial? I need you to do the Google form. Jashanti. James C.
Yeah.
Deshaun, do the NC test tutorial and then do that Google. Click on this Google link and do that. Do that. Do the Google form for me, okay?
My computer is doing stuff by itself right now
What you mean?
because I went over there on the chat, right? And then I was not trying to click the Google form. It clicked it, and then when it clicked it, it pushed no instead of letting me just read what it said.
Okay, let me go back in and make sure I said it so you can do it more than one time. Okay, go back in, do it, and hit yes. Make sure you hit yes.
Where's the NC test tutorial thing?
Okay, I'm gonna show you again. Normally, when you have a window open, so hold on. Normally, when you have a window open, you see right over here, you see the 9 dots, what they call them apps. You see that?
I don't see that.
Do you see my on my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Look on your screen. If you don't see it, open up a new window. Even after you open up a new window, if it doesn't have it, Google it and say NC test tutorial. And then click on that website that it pops up. And when you do that, you should see this next screen. What I have up.
Okay, hold on.
Are you okay?
Okay, mine said the North Carolina testing program online testing thing.
Okay. So when you get to the NC, okay, is it a website?
I just clicked on. It was like it just came up with different things, and the first one it showed up with online assessment tutorials.
Okay, so click on it.
Okay.
Okay, and what do you see now?
I see like where it has the exit button, the login button.
Okay, so um click on the login,
Okay. I
and
gotta
then
put text name.
yeah, test name, hit the drop down box. Click. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but just click CTE SAP, the algebraic scientific calculator tutorial. Click that.
Put what?
Click. Hit the drop down box. Click CTE SAP, scientific calculator. The first one that says CTE.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and then after that, hit login or whatever it has there.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, and then hit OK, and just click hit next till you get to the end of it.
Okay.
And then once you get to the end of it, just hit end test, and hit exit, and then click do that Google form for me. Go back in and do that Google form and put yes. Chris, I need you to do the NC test tutorial. Chris. Thank you, Deshanti. Jayla. James. James C. I'm sorry. Jayla. Okay, everybody. Make sure you've done the attendance quiz because you know the attendance quiz counts as a weekly grade. I will put in last week's attendance quiz, and also I will put in the what was it, attendance quiz and the participation grade. So make sure that you're here every day. Make sure that you are doing the attendance quiz because one missing one will give you a 0. All right. So I'm gonna be a little bit lenient last week because it was the first time, but this week I won't. You only have 2 days. Okay. So make sure you're completing the attendance quiz and participating every day. James C., Chris, Savannah, Gwendolyn, and Jayla. Please stay on. Everybody else, I will see you tomorrow. Make sure your resumes are in your folder. tonight.
Bye, Miss Hargrave.
Bye bye, everybody.
Miss Hargrave.
Yes.
Do we go to the meeting later on today if I can get my makeup for my attendance that I missed?
You can at 3:20. Yes, I'll probably be in transition, but yes, you can come and log on, and I'll
Okay.
make note of it and see what you can do while you're in there. You can go ahead and be working in your test out or either your typing.com.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Is
You
there
too.
oh is there a test to like NC thing or whatever? What I have to fill
The NC
out?
test, only thing I want you to do was do that little tutorial and then do that Google form, which you did. So you good.
What? Oh, I did.
You did, let me see what you put. You did the Google thing. Let me see what you put.
Was it that yes or no question? I put
Yes,
no.
yes, yes. And I
I
think
put
you
no.
said, let me
No.
see. Did you say no?
Yeah, I said no.
Go back in and put yes.
Oh, I did do it.
You did do it, but let me see what you put. Let me see let me see hold on. Let me see what you put. You don't even know what you put. What are we gonna do with you? Let's see. Wait a minute. You put no. Go back in and put yes.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
And
Bye.
you're good to go, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Chris, Jayla, Savannah. It's about time because I've been getting the screen all class period. Savannah answered one time. And I do notate when I get the screen. I do notate, so y'all need to make sure that y'all being attentive because I do put it down. Did y'all hear me when I said I needed for you to do the NC test tutorial? Do you know how to do the NC test tutorial? Okay, all right. And then I need you to do that Google form. Savannah, did you do the NC test tutorial? Savannah, did you do the NC test tutorial? Once you get done doing the NC test tutorial, I need you to do the Google. Okay, all right, here's the link again. I'm going to send you the link, okay? Chris, are you there? Chris, are you there? Yeah, thank you, Savannah. I didn't know if you were still just hanging on. So that's why I sent an email because, I call y'all and y'all still don't answer. Y'all guys going to have to do better. Okay, Jayla and Savannah, once you're done the NC test tutorial and the Google form, make sure you hit yes and you may go. Okay? Make sure y'all guys are doing your benchmark test is due tomorrow by 11:59. Let me look and see. I'm just saying, I'm just telling everybody in general, because I have not checked the test because I had not planned on checking it for until we went into our Thanksgiving break. And it's on Canvas. It's on Canvas. Let me look. So your test this time is on Canvas. Let me check, Savannah. No. No, the benchmark 1 2020 is not locked. You have to have a code. Savannah, you did not take the benchmark. Make sure, guys, y'all are checking in Power School as well, because all those grades that are missing, if you don't have them done, completed and uploaded to your homework second semester folder by 11:59 Friday night, you're gonna keep what you got. And if you hadn't got anything, you're gonna get a 0. Let me put the code in for the benchmark. Make sure the study guides are uploaded to the homework folder. Here is the code. You have to have a password. It's in Canvas. The benchmark, let me put it, benchmark is in Canvas. Benchmark is in Canvas under quizzes. Benchmark is in Canvas under quizzes. And the code that is the code that you need to use. That is the code that you need to use. That is the code. Okay? And if y'all need anything else, y'all can always email me. You know, I have email me or put it in Remind. I have no problem with responding back. We can always do Google Meet. Okay? So let's get on what we need to do. Did y'all both do? Let me look and see if y'all both did. Make sure you've done all the tests and uploaded the study guides. Let me see if I got a response from Savannah. Savannah and Jayla, I don't see where y'all did the tutorial at. Here's the tutorial link. Go to that link and do the tutorial. It asks if you completed the NC test tutorial. Please hit yes. It's a 1 question quiz. Please do it right now. Do the link, guys. I need y'all to do that link real quick. All right, Savannah, you did it. Thank you. Let me check Jayla. Jayla, did you do it? Let me check, Jayla. Thank you, Jayla. See you tomorrow. Make sure you stay on top of all your work. If you need me, hit me up through email or remind. Okay? Let me see what you said. Let me see what you said, Jayla. Let me see. Your email hadn't popped up yet, Jayla. It might pull up in a minute, Jayla, but it hadn't pulled up yet. I once I get it, I'll respond back to it, okay? And I will talk to you later. Okay? You can go. Have a good one.